And when they are all done, they'll look something like this. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these little Oreo turkey treats. Now I have some white candy melts here, but you can just use normal chocolate too if you want. And I'm going to melt this, and I'm going to put some in this little piping bag that I have. This is by Wilton, or you could just use a normal plastic bag if you want. And so I'm just going to melt these in the microwave. 30 seconds stir, 30 seconds stir until they're nice and melted. And this is going to be the glue that we're going to use for these Oreo turkey treats. I'm going to do a little snip here. And now we have the main body of the turkey, and we're going to use these double stuffed Oreos. And there's a couple different designs that you can do. You can do a design where the feathers are made out of sliced almonds. And if you use those sliced almonds, then you can just use the standard thickness Oreos because it's a lot thinner. But if we're going to use these candy corns, the candy corns are thicker, and so we'll use the double stuff for that. And what I'm going to do is take my piping bag here, and then I'm going to just lay on some of this. Okay, and then I will take this and just poke it right in there. Don't push too far because then it's gonna move the cookies apart. Like if you push too far in there, it'll separate the cookies. And so you could do like 4 like this if you want, and there you go. That is kind of like the feather part. And now what we want to do is we want to do the body, the main, like the stomach region, I guess, and take these little small peanut butter cups and just take off the wrapper. And then we'll just put some of this chocolate or kind of our makeshift glue right down there. And now we want to do a face or a head. And a couple different things you can do. You could do like this milk dud, or you could do a more round look like this Whopper right here. So whatever one that you want to use, I like to do just like a variety of these. Put some more of that chocolate down, candy melt. I'm going to put the milk dud on. And now we want to do maybe some eyeballs on there. And we have these little candy eyeballs that you can get, which they're kind of big. If you can find smaller ones, that'll work good. But it's okay if these things look kind of like big, kind of bug-eyed. So put some of that on there. And so this is gonna be like a little bug-eyed turkey. And then for the beak, I have these little butterscotch chocolate chips, or you could do like white chocolate chips. Put down some glue. And there is the beak. Another thing you could use for the beak that I've seen done is you'll take a candy corn and just cut off the white part and use that as the beak. And now if we want to add a little red part to the side of his beak on the turkey, I think it's called the wattle. I can't remember. And so I'm going to use these little Swedish fish, or you could do like licorice. And I'm going to cut a bit of the tail off. Put a little bit more chocolate. So there you go. This is a little turkey treat. And now we want to make a little base for them. So I'll just take this Oreo, and you can use whatever side that you want. Put some chocolate down. And then set him down in there. And there we go. Cool little Oreo turkey treat. And then just set this aside so that candy melt or chocolate can dry. And then that is another version that you can do. And when they are all done, they'll look something like this. So here's some different design ideas that you can do. Drop a comment down below and let me know which design you like better. Do you like the almonds for the feathers, or do you like the candy corns for the feathers? Do you like the Whopper for the head with just little dots for the eyes, and then the nose or the beak, a piece of candy corn? Or do you like the candy eyeballs with the butterscotch nose? Let me know in the comments what your favorite one is. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. They're almost too good to eat. I'm gonna get up this one. Yeah. I'm gonna bite off his head. Yeah.